Staff and students spend up to 30% of their day in school. Schools can be stressful environments. Days are filled with challenges. Principals and teachers have a responsibility to deliver a curriculum and manage student behavior. How your school looks may be at the bottom of a very long list of priorities, but should it be? Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitude and expectations. Have you ever walked around your school and asked yourself, could it be a more inspiring and motivating environment for staff and students? But there are so many other things to think about, I hear you say. Where would you find the time to manage improving the appearance of the school? Well, here's the solution to your problem. Meet Julie the Genie. She's not just any genie. She's a creative genie that specializes in the enhancing of learning environments. Because she sees how much it contributes to the well-being, morale, and motivation of students and staff. Did you know that there are 3 teachers of students? Adults, other students, and their physical environment. Enhancing the school environment can even improve performance by up to 25%. Julie the Genie can see your everyday environment with fresh eyes and imagine the possibilities for your space. Check out these before and afters. Corridor before, dull and lifeless. After, bright and inspirational. Reception area before, bland and uninviting. After, fresh, bright, and welcoming. School buildings can become a little tired. Wouldn't you like your space to reflect all the attitudes and expectations of your school? Just check out those smiling faces. Here are the reasons to work with Julie the Genie on your school environment. 1. Transforming space means transforming performance of staff and students by up to 25%. 2. You can reinforce good behavior by using colorful quotes and imagery around mindset and school rules. 3. The work will be customized to suit your budget, timeline, and ethos. 4. All artwork is created off-site and installed at a time that suits you, so therefore it causes minimum disruption to your school. 5. You'll have happier students, happier staff, and a happier school. As educators, it is difficult to influence all aspects of our students' lives. However, one thing we can control is how the space they spend so much of their day in both looks and feels. Let's make it a reality, Julie the Genie. Book your free discovery call today.